Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of October 9th, 2020. Here are some upcoming events. There are many school holidays coming up. Please mark your calendars. There is no school on this Monday, October 12th, for the Columbus Day holiday. Election Day, Tuesday, November 3rd, is a teacher work day. No school for students. Please go out and vote. Thanksgiving break is from November 21st through November 29th. World Kindness Day is Friday, November 13th. Please make sure you order our pink kindness shirt to wear that day. Last night was secondary curriculum night. If you weren't able to attend, you can view your students' teacher's presentation in Google Classroom. Kindergarten had a blast practicing their sight words by writing them with shaving cream. Let's take a look. Parents, please feel free to send me pictures of your children having fun at home in distance learning. Please send it to scooper@pbmalantana.org. Here are the secondary shocks of the week. These students were selected by their teachers as students who demonstrated core shock values. Here's a message from Miss T.
Hello, everybody. My name is Marie Terciaro. I'm the Executive Director of Palm Beach Maritime Academy and High School. For those of you that I don't know, I just wanted to take a minute to thank everybody for all of their cooperation. I know this has not been easy on anybody. It's not easy on the teachers. It's not easy on the students. It's not easy on the parents. But we're moving ahead, we're moving forward, and we're doing everything that we can to make sure that your children get the same quality education they've always gotten from Palm Beach Maritime Academy and High School. I also want to thank you for your patience. I know sometimes the internet goes down and there are problems. The problems are often because there are tens of thousands of people, students, trying to get on the internet in the morning. So it's really being used throughout the county way more than it was ever designed for. So sometimes the problems are local, but sometimes they're much more global and there are problems everywhere. So I do appreciate all of your patience, and students, keep on plugging along. You're taking your regular tests, you're doing all of your regular assessments, and it's really, really important, parents, when students are taking assessments at home, that they do them themselves. Otherwise, we can't really accurately know what they can do and know what we have to address. So I would ask for your help in that. In wrapping up, thanks again. Thank you to my administrators, my teachers, my students, my parents, and everybody that makes PBMA the greatest place it is. Finally, I would like to just mention Jim Stafford. Jim Stafford is our videographer. He does all of our videos. We call him up at all hours of the day and night to post this or do this or fix this. And he maintains our website. And I just wanted to give a special shout out to Jim for all that he does for PBMA. So again, thank you and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.
Elementary car riders must be picked up no later than 2:45 to avoid a late pickup fee. Parents, please make sure you pick up your child on time. Elementary progress reports and iReady diagnostic reports will be going home on 10/16 with in-person students and mailed to distance learners. Please call the front desk if you have moved so we can have the correct address. And finally, here are some great pictures from Spirit Week.
Love it. Thank you.
Please remember to like and follow us on Facebook to stay informed of important information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.